Hello, it's Ernie Mankowski again from Heiko Products. In this session, we're going to discuss Heiko's integrated technologies, learning about each piece of equipment and their roles in the key duplication process. These are Heiko's fully integrated technologies. Our technology is unique in that it is all interconnected and fed from our extensive key database. This allows for a simple and easy to follow key duplication process, ensuring that the right key is selected, cut, and programmed correctly the first time. Not only can Heiko's integrated technologies bring a retail location up to date, they will greatly expand its product offering, enhancing the vehicle coverage in the store. It also opens the door for special order capabilities, giving a location access to Heiko's full line of keys without having to increase inventory levels. There are two pieces of equipment used for cutting keys. There is the Kid Machine and the Sidewinder Connect. First, we're going to start with the Kid Machine. The reason is, all key duplication starts at the Kid Machine. KID stands for Key Identification and Duplication. The Kid Machine is like the central hub of the key center. It integrates all of Heiko's key cutting equipment together into one seamless key cutting experience. The KID accesses Heiko's key database and assists the associate in identifying and selecting the correct key for cutting. The KID Machine is also where all of the edge cut key cutting happens, both single-sided and double-sided keys. The KID uses an automatic cut and verification process. All the associate has to do is select the blank, load it into the machine, and the KID does the rest of the work. This virtually eliminates the element of human error, drastically reducing the amount of miscut keys. Once the cut of the key is complete, our highly advanced, patented technology optically compares the cut of the new key to the original and verifies that the cut is correct. The KID Machine is the only key cutting machine in the industry with an optical digital cut verification that lets customers know their keys were cut correctly before they even leave the store. The Sidewinder Connect is the second piece of key cutting equipment. If you couldn't tell by its name, it cuts Sidewinder keys. And like the KID Machine, the Sidewinder Connect uses an automatic cut process. This allows an associate of any skill level to duplicate a Sidewinder key. Until recently, most Sidewinder cutting machines in the industry have been manual and a little tricky to operate. For this reason, most retail locations do not carry equipment to cut Sidewinder keys despite their growing popularity. Having a Sidewinder Connect in your store will set you apart from other retail locations. Heiko's key programming equipment was introduced in our last video. There's Heiko's Mega Eye tool for chip key cloning, which is integrated right into the KID Machine, and there is the AutoX tool for OBD programming, which occurs at the customer's vehicle. And the AutoX tool connects to the KID Machine to download database updates, staying current with the most up-to-date vehicle information. Now, let's see how keys are duplicated using these different pieces of technology. We're going to start with cutting a mechanical key. In this demonstration, we're going to cut a basic SC1 house key. With all key cutting, the process always begins with the KID Machine to identify and select the correct key blank to cut. You start by inserting the customer's original key into the machine and selecting to scan the key. Cameras inside the machine digitally scan the customer's keyblade to identify the matching blank. The database results are displayed right on the KID screen. To assist with finding a key quickly, the panel location of the key is displayed right on the screen. Select the key on the screen, grab the new blank, and click the Next button. Remove the customer's key, insert the new blank to be cut, and click the Next button once more. From here, the KID Machine takes over. The new blank is quickly scanned to verify the correct key has been inserted. It is then moved into position to be cut. The cutters engage and the new key is cut in just a few seconds. That's all there is to it. And as I mentioned before, the new key is scanned and the cuts are digitally verified to make sure the key was cut correctly. There is also an option to have the KID repeat the same cut on additional key blanks without having to start the process over. This saves the consumer and associate valuable time. Now, we're going to see how easy it is to duplicate chip key car keys. Let's start with cloning. As always, the process begins with the KID Machine. The customer's original transponder key is inserted into the KID Machine to have the blade scanned. The kid detects that an automotive key has been scanned and prompts the associate to place the customer's key into the Mega Eye tool to check for a chip. The Mega Eye tool then scans the coded data stored on the customer's key. From there, the associate will enter the make, model, and year of the customer's vehicle, and the database determines what keys are available. Once the key is selected, the new key is placed into the Mega Eye tool, and the cloned data that was collected from the customer's key is written to the new chip key car key. The kid machine displays that the data was successfully cloned to the new key, then prompts the associate to cut the key. The new key is placed into the cutting slot to be automatically cut and digitally verified with HEICO's patented technology. And the customer leaves the store knowing that their new chip key car key was cut and programmed successfully. For most clonable chip key car keys, this whole process is done in just a few minutes. Let's move on to duplicating a Sidewinder key. In this demonstration, the Sidewinder key being used will be another clonable chip key car key. The process of selecting a Sidewinder key is the same as the previous key demonstration. The customer's key has been scanned by the kid machine, read in the Mega Eye tool, the correct chip key has been chosen, successfully cloned, and is ready to be cut. The kid machine now interacts with the Sidewinder Connect and the cutting process begins. The associate will ready the machine per the instructions displayed on the kid screen. The Sidewinder Connect scans and cuts keys as if they were a topographic map. The HEICO database knows the exact points of each key type to measure the depth of the cuts on the customer's original key. The Sidewinder Connect measures each cut, creating a map to cut the new key blank. This process is called decoding. Once the original key is decoded, the new key is then loaded into the Sidewinder Connect and cut. The process of duplicating most clonable chip key car keys with the Sidewinder Connect takes about 10 minutes. And finally, we're going to duplicate a chip key car key using HEICO's AutoX tool and OBD programming at the customer's vehicle. We've already completed the process of identifying and cutting the new chip key, and we're ready to head to the car. Programming starts by connecting the AutoX tool to the customer's vehicle. The tool connects to the OBD port, which is universal in the automotive industry. The AutoX tool will walk an associate through the exact steps of programming a new chip key car key to the vehicle. A programming guide is also included to assist in the process. As you can imagine, programming sequences differ between the auto manufacturers. The HEICO database keeps the AutoX tool up to date and current with all the different sequences, ensuring that chip key car keys are programmed correctly. Now, we can all see how HEICO's industry-leading, integrated technologies allows your retail location to cover the huge automotive key market. An assortment of the most popular keys has been selected to carry in store, but there can be occasions when a customer needs a less common key. HEICO has a solution for these situations. As we mentioned before, our special order key process allows stores to have access to HEICO's full line of keys without the burden of carrying the inventory on the shelf. The special order process is quick and easy, and it can be done right on the kid machine. Another great service available through HEICO's integrated technologies.